media, smartphone, this is passive income, whereby out of one topic or out of one niche, you can get main streams of income. What do we understand by main streams of income? So in today's video, it is going to be short and precise. We are going to talk about the 10 high paid niches for Facebook and YouTube, because you might be there. Most people have a narrative of seeing people with very many views, very many likes, followers, and think, oh, someone has 1 million subscribers or 1 million views, so that one is earning much. No. Today, you are going to know if you're a beginner right now, or if you have already started, or you want to start. I want you to follow this video till the end, such that you should start a journey that you're going to smile even when you have 100 views, even when you have 10 views. We are going to be talking about the top 10 high paid niches for Facebook and YouTube. Disclaimer, this video is for education purposes. We give you 10% of the knowledge, the 90% you should go and research. If you want to take it, you take it. So treat this video as educational video. We are not financial buoyant, no, we are not financial experts The first one is personal finance and making money online. If I'm telling you, being the first, it means the CPM is very high. Making money and personal finance. So if you're seeing me teaching you how to make money, yes, I'm teaching you, but I'm in the field that even with my 20 views, I earn highly more than a person in some other niches I don't want to mention with 1 million views. So now, when you're starting, make sure that you look for a niche that is highly paid for you not to be stressed. Then two, why you should go for this personal finance and making money online, it is always trending. Let me know someone out there watching, or the person you know that doesn't like money or personal finance. I'll give you examples of making money online and personal finance. We have like side hustles, we have smartphone earnings, we have YouTube, Facebook monetization, savings, budgeting. Those are some of the niches that you can venture in. The second one is business and entrepreneurship. Business tips, startup ideas, success habits. Then motivational business stories that attract mature audience. These ones, they pay highly. When we are saying motivational talks that attracts mature audience. Now that shows you that the audiences that are not mature and audiences that are mature. If you're part of the audience, you should be ready to gauge that, am I in a right place or am I in a wrong place? So if it is attracting mature audience starts from what? I want you to put it in the comment section. Don't say otansalako chigambo immaculate ya tweet say immature audience. Mature audiences really give high CPM. What do we talk about business and entrepreneurs? Like for example, you've seen in your community, you can talk about startup ideas. I'm seeing people, you don't know where money is. People are running, for example, people are running to open big factories when you don't have money, or you admire to open a bigger shop. But there is a startup idea that if I get my $100, I can start, and slowly I go to a factory. That is a startup idea. Success habits, those are very good in paying. The third one is technology and AI tutorials. You know now, technology is high. Recently we went live and we talked about AI tools. When we talked about AI tools, people were like, what is ChatGPT? They even don't know, some of them, and it's not their problem. They don't know that there is a version that of ChatGPT 5 and we're almost going to 7. Most people don't know. If you teach about Canva, you know Canva AI, it is highly paid. If you teach about CapCut AI, whereby CapCut, if you go to CapCut, you will live and read about nano banana. And some of you don't know what is nano banana. Nano banana will give you a high CPM. Some of you don't know Gemini. Gemini will give you a high CPM. So I wrote and said, on this technology and AI tutorials, we can talk about technology. Like I always tell you, if you're out there, go and start tutorials on phones, Samsung, iPhone this, know the hacks, know the wrongs, know the doing. This one, it pays like nothing. Then the fourth one is real estate and investing. Property education, land buying, investment strategies. When they talk about real estate and investing and the education, they don't mean that you'll be there, you say, I'm a real estate agent. Anyone can be a real estate agent. Anyone can be a realtor. But now, as a person who wants to venture into niche, you have to know property education. You have to know about land buying. You tell them about land buying. You've seen people doing it. You tell them about investment strategies. But you are not going to start about investment strategies when you are poor yourself. You need to lift yourself. You cannot tell me about investment strategies when you're always in another person's DM maybe begging for money, and you come here. That one will be a scam. So make sure that whatever you're going to venture in, you attract people's trust. And you might not be what you are supposed to be right now, but do it slowly. Then by the time you're going to speak, you are going to give witnesses. You should be a testimony yourself than you referring to other people. So why do I say that this niche is globally, it is highly needed and demanded globally? You can be in Dubai and the person who is in America is looking at you. You're teaching them how to invest in Dubai, about the properties in Dubai. And this one, you will go miles and your videos will go. Then we have health awareness and natural remedies. This one is superb. Why? Most people are inventing things like weight loss remedies, natural ones, natural cures. We do no longer want to go for antibiotics. We have very many things. People are eating bitter cola. People are there eating yam leaves. So these are the things that you need to give out people such that you're paid well. And the reason in this is that it has a very wide audience. People want to be cured. Why would I want my tummy not to go down like the way I want to show you with a natural remedy? So weight loss supplements which are natural, not these ones which are concocted into powder and they make you another person. And this one, they bring strong engagement. That's why they are paid highly. Strong engagement because people are interested in them. Then motivational and self-empowerment. Short motivation videos are very good. Affirmations, discipline, success stories and mindset, because people need them. The world is breeding. Then digital marketing, content creation and tips. This one, most people don't know how to edit. Most people don't know how to do things. Most people don't know how to even look into the camera or talk with, put voiceovers. How to be that confidence. You need to do this. This one, it has a very high CPM and huge audience. When you start these things, it's when you're going to know what is CPM, what is RPM, and what is the algorithm. Parenting and family tips is very payable. Family routines, kids learning activities, relationship ideas, they are extremely viral on Facebook, especially if you tend to be a relationship idea. Only that people tend to say, which experience do you have? The world is going crazy, this and that, but they pay high. Beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. You guys, skin routines, cares, fashion tips, makeups, they pay highly. So this one, it attracts also brand sponsorship and strong viewer loyalty. Last but not least, this is where most people are going wrong. Travel and lifestyle experiences. When we are talking about travel and life experiences, we mean travel tips, and it should be having some amount of money. How much can you do this? How much can you do this? But don't look in your camera and say, I'm traveling to Bujuman. That one will not give you money. You need to know this. So travel tips, food exploration, budget travels, this one have a high engagement and strong brand deals. You guys, here we are. If you are there, I'm giving a bonus tip. Please, since you already create content,